This is not just a truck, this is a rolling piece of American history. What you're looking at is the legendary 1956 Ford F-100, one of the most iconic pickup trucks ever built, and even in 2026, its presence feels powerful, timeless, and unforgettable. The moment this truck appears, the wide chrome grille, bold round headlights, and muscular hood instantly remind us of an era when vehicles were built with soul, strength, and character. The 1956 Ford F-100 belongs to the second generation of Ford's F-Series, a lineup that would go on to become the best-selling truck series in the world. This model year stands out because it introduced a more refined design, improved comfort, and better performance compared to earlier versions. The front end looks confident and strong, yet beautifully balanced, with smooth curves and solid metal construction that modern trucks can only admire. Under the hood, many restored and custom builds feature a powerful V8 engine, often a 350 V8, giving this classic truck modern muscle while keeping its vintage charm alive. The engine delivers strong torque, a deep rumbling sound, and a driving experience that feels raw and connected. This is not about fuel economy or digital technology, this is about real power, real sound, and pure mechanical emotion. From the side and rear, the clean truck bed design and straight body lines show how simplicity can be truly beautiful. The tailgate carries classic styling, while the chrome rear bumper adds elegance. White wall tires and polished wheels complete the look, making the truck feel retro, premium, and perfectly balanced. Step inside the cabin and you are instantly transported back in time. The interior of the 1956 Ford F-100 focuses on simplicity and durability. A wide bench seat, often finished in a two-tone color scheme, offers comfort without unnecessary luxury. The large steering wheel, metal dashboard, and analog gauges give a direct and honest connection between the driver and the machine. Every switch and dial feels solid and purposeful. There are no touchscreens, no driver assist systems, and no artificial sounds. What you get instead is an authentic driving experience where you feel the road, hear the engine, and control the truck with your own hands. That authenticity is exactly why classic trucks like this are more valuable than ever in 2026. In today's market, a well-restored or tastefully modified 1956 Ford F-100 attracts serious attention at car shows, auctions, and private collections. Depending on condition, originality, and engine setup, prices can range from tens of thousands to well over six figures. Collectors respect it,